All right, folks, so follow-up video. Got it all pretty much welded together. There's a few things I got to make. But other than that, she's put together. I left that little indentation there because I welded it to the old post. But I don't mind that. It doesn't bother me. Anybody ever asked me if it was a 4-door, I'll tell them exactly. Yes, it was. A few things you got to make. Got to make a filler panel for right here. And a filler panel for up there. Just to come do that. And I left the door shell and the door skin together. When I put it together, I did not take the frame apart. I just trimmed it to right there. And there's still a lot of work that needs to be done in here. And then, see right there. But there's still a lot of work that needs to be done inside. There's a better angle of what I was telling you about, that you need to make that piece. To make that flush, you need to put that filler piece in there. And I still got to work inside the rails. But quarters in, man. Quarters in. And I'm leaving that line, as I said before. Welded all that up there. But I'm leaving that. Of course, I'll seam seal some of it. Make it look good. Fill those holes in for the rear doors. But voila. There it is, one side done. Not bad. Not bad. I come along here. I'll finish up this other side tomorrow. I'll get all the metal work done. Get the quarter welded in. But yeah, there it is. That's what it looks like. That's the camera adjust. I'm still going to do a lot of welding down the bottom there. I'm going to clean up that little edge, trim a little bit. I'm going to make all that uniform up there so it doesn't look like it's spliced in right up top when I put that other piece in for the top of the quarter. Yeah, you'll be able to tell when you take it apart with the trim panel out, but for the most part I'm trying to keep it all uniform and make it look all the same seamless piece when I get done. I'll show videos of that as well. But looks pretty good. All right, have a great night. Thank you for watching. Just another scan. That's a rooster. Yes, there's a rooster out there. All right, thanks.